Are you planning to run Google call only ads because your call extensions in search ads are not showing up 100% of the times? Today in this video, we are going to learn about what are call only ads and also about the advantages and disadvantages of Google call only ads. Before getting in, let me give you an idea about what are call only ads. Now, Google call only ads are the ads in the search network where if you see, you will feel it's almost similar to your Google search ads. But whenever you click on these particular ads, they will directly open your caller, the calling app in your mobile where you can make calls. Now, the advantage of this is call only ads help you because they are available only on the devices where the calling option is available. For example, 99% of the times the call only ads show up only on mobile devices. And in some extreme cases where if you have configured the calling option on your laptop or tab, they may show up in these devices. Now, hope you got an idea what are call only ads. Let me show you an example how their call only ads actually looks like. Okay, can you see this here? You can see that your call only ad, okay, is telling call 800 some number, okay, and this is how it will look on a particular device, right? Whenever you search for something related to it, you will see some ad like this where the number will be displayed on the top with a call option, with a call to action, and the ad description may have what all its USPs and benefits are, right? Okay, so now you hope you are completely clear with what is a Google call only ad. Now let's go to what are the benefits and what are the advantages and disadvantages of Google call only ads. Now, to see what are the advantages of the Google call only ads, with my experience, I have seen that there are three major advantages of call only ads. The first is the call only ads, because 100% of the times whenever your ad is showing up, there is an option for the user to call you. Like in search ads, your call extension may show or may not show. If you see, that is a problematic situation. But in call only ads, 100% of the times your call extension or whatever the calling option is available there, so you can generate maximum number of calls when you run call only ads. A second advantage of call only ads is the conversion rate is higher. When I say conversion rate here, conversion rate, I refer to the people who are calling your business and who actually become your customers by paying fees for your products and services. Now, why is the conversion rate so high is because, see, when people are calling your business, okay, at that particular time, they are giving you their 100% attention. Okay, they are your serious buyers. Now, at this point of time, whatever you are explaining to them, they may give all their ears and hear whatever you are offering to them, and the conversion is higher. But just imagine in terms of if it is a search ad where people land on your landing page and fill a form and submit it, and at that particular point of time when the user is actually in that process of buying your services or something, you are not available, you were busy in some other work, and maybe you see that lead after half an hour or 1 hour, and then when you call this particular customer, there is a chance that this customer may be driving, right? And during driving, if he picks the call also, he may not give you that 100% attention. Okay, now the attention, the focus which he was giving to what you were speaking when he called you is lesser than what is happening in the form of in the form conversation, right? Now, so the incoming calls, whenever they come, the conversion rate is really high. So this advantage is there in call only ads. Next, the third advantage is you need not worry about the landing page. Now, as we all know, when we run ads, we are taking the attention that we will get more calls if our landing page is optimized to give us more calls, right? We need to do so many tweakings and so many changes in order to measure and optimize the number of calls that we get. But when we run call only ads, no need to land these users on landing page. Also directly from the Google search, they will have the option to call your business. So no tension about the landing page. Now let's go and see what are the disadvantages of call only ads. Now here you can see that first disadvantage of the call only ad, which I feel is, most of the clients complain this. You can see whoever are running, if you are a Google Ads manager running the Google Ads, you would have observed this. You are getting clicks, but you are not getting the calls. Why is this happening? Right? What most of the people think is Google call only ads means we pay for calls. Whenever we get a call, we pay to Google. That is what people think. That is not the case. Actually, how it actually works is, whenever someone clicks on a Google ad, right, immediately in his mobile device, there will be the dialer will open. Okay, in the dialer, the number will already be pre-entered. Now it's up to that particular user whether he calls your business or not. After that, he has to click on that call button in order to reach to your business, right? If he is not taking that action, okay, for the click itself, you are already charged. Later, whether he clicks on the call button or not is not at all a matter for Google. Hope you understand here. Even in the call only ads, you have been charged per click basis, right? Now, hope you got this answer. Now, when I say the click fraud protection is not there, that is a disadvantage, right? Now, what happens here is, if it is a user who is not clicking the call after going to the dialer, okay, if you see, the ratio is very less. Most of the users who are actually looking for your business will make sure at least 80 to 85% will click on the dialer to reach out to your business, to understand and ask doubts about your products and services, and probably will try as best as possible to become your customers. But if there is a click fraud from either your competitor or some bots, in this situation, you see that the third party click fraud softwares which could have helped you if you were running Google search ads will be of no use when you are running a Google call only ads. Why? See, most of this Google click fraud softwares, okay, the third party softwares work on the basis that they take the data, maybe the user's IP address or maybe the user's device ID and all those things. They get it when the user lands on their website or landing page. But in the case of Google call only ads, there is no concept of going to the landing page. And everything is happening on the Google network itself. Now, so you won't have the protection from the Google third party apps, and the click fraud protection is not possible, due to which you may be spending a lot of money. In fact, we have seen cases where if the click fraud rises, no one can stop this in Google call only ads. Yes, Google has its own algorithm. Google has the potential to reduce the click fraud. It does. But these fraudsters are very intelligent. They will try to follow all the Google's guidelines and they will do click fraud, right? For example, if Google is measuring in a same day, there can't be more than 3 clicks on a single ad, right? That will be considered as a click fraud. So these people will be doing 2 clicks from one device, 2 clicks from another device, 2 clicks from different IP address, different techniques. Depending on the Google's rules, they will follow and they will break however they want to do it. So we have observed this is a major problem. The other disadvantage, what we have seen is the CPCs are high. In Google call only ads, I have personally observed in few campaigns that the CPCs what we were getting in Google search campaign were, if example, 100 rupees, and now if I compare the Google call only ads CPC, will always be, most of the cases it will be approximately double. 100 rupees where I used to get the click, now I am getting at 200 rupees in call only ads. So obviously when the click is on a higher cost, the lead cost increases and all those things. The third disadvantage is caller number, right? Just imagine when you're running a call only ad, if you have turned on the call tracking or the conversion tracking for these calls, what Google will do is whenever your user is calling, the call comes to your phone, mobile phone, or your number from a Google number. Okay, even the user will be able to see a Google number, not directly your business number. So in this case, what happens is, if you just imagine you were busy, you couldn't pick that call at that point of time, what will happen is you will have a missed call, and that missed call will be from a Google number. Now you will not be able to know who was the lead who called you. You don't have the lead contact number, so that later point of time you can again go back to that lead and speak to them. So it's like you lost the lead. And even when the call is picked by you, make sure that you first thing what you do is you ask the user about his contact number, so that in case if the call drops, you will have the contact number to call him back and you can continue the conversation. Otherwise, the chances of you losing the lead are really high here. So hope you have got an idea about what are the call only ads and what are advantages and disadvantages of Google call only ads. This is Rahil Ahmed S, co-founder of one of the leading digital marketing agencies in Bangalore, Parkoyo Digital, and founder of Performance Marketing Hub, online school for learning digital marketing and Google Ads. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Hope you have enjoyed this video and got a lot of knowledge about Google call only ads. Kindly like, comment and share this video so that we can share this knowledge to more and more people. And also please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you get notified whenever I upload my video. Thank you. Take care. Bye.